Hello everybody, this is a video of unboxing my next diamond painting project. So I'm going to unbox it here for you guys and let you see what I have to work on next. And just got it in the mail a couple of yesterday actually. We are going to be opening it up so everybody can see what it has. Don't want to accidentally cut my project here. Alright, let's see. Pull out the project. Alright, this is made by obviously a Chinese company. Japanese maybe, I don't know. But that is what it is. Alright. Let's go ahead and get to opening it. It was made in China, it says, of course. It says on the box, Ability 5D Diamond. Don't know what that means, ability, but that's okay. It comes with the basic tools for your diamond painting. Very, very pretty colors. Very pretty. Gonna be fun to work with. I like these colors a lot. Alright. Let's see if we can get out the diamond painting. Oh man. Looks like it got mushed a little bit. Don't know how when the box is not mushed, but what can you do? That's a shame. Maybe I can get it to lay right. I'm not really big on how this fabric feels. Anyway, that's the diamond painting. And that's what the painting is going to look like in the end. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Anything else on there? No. Okay, let's try to get this up a little closer to you again so you can see. It is going to be a Patriotic Rose. Yeah, I'm not very much liking this canvas. But hopefully it turns out beautiful. We can only hope. ends to lay down a little bit. this is going to be my next project. Looks like they have them numbered really well to go with what I've got already, which is great. Very, very pretty colors. Anyway, this is what it is, and I'll be working on it with you guys. Thank you for watching.